Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Java, that is Java JDK version 26 on a Windows operating system. So for that, first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Java JDK download. Hit enter. Just simply go to the official site of Java. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see that latest version of Java 26 is available to download. So here, depending upon what operating system you are using, Linux, macOS or Windows, you need to switch to that. I'm going to switch to Windows and I'm going to click on this link to download x64 MSI installer. See, it is rightly started downloading. Once downloaded, just simply click on that installer. You can minimize your browser and here just simply click on next. This is where our Java is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. It could ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and our installation for Java JDK 26 is rightly began. And there you go. You can see that our installation for Java is rightly done. Click on close. So now that you know that our Java is ready to install, it's time to set our environment path. So for that, go to search and type environ. So that will show you this edit the system environment variables. Open that and click on environment variables over here. Here you have to click on path and to click on edit. And now you have to go to your C drive and go to your program files. You will get a Java folder created over here. Go inside. You will get this JDK 26 folder also created over here. Go inside that folder. You will get a bin folder. Go inside that. And then you have to select this path and right click and copy this entire path. And you can minimize this now. And remember, we have opened this edit the environment variable window. Here you have to click on new and right click and paste that Java JDK path over here. Now click on OK. So now that you have set your Java bin folder path, now it's time to set your Java home. So for that, click on new and just type over here Java underscore home, and on variable value you just paste that entire path. But this time remember to delete that bin folder. You need to keep only till JDK 26 and you need to click on OK. Then again OK and then again OK. And now if you go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type Java space dash dash version and hit enter, it's going to give you the latest version of Java, that is Java JDK 26 installed on your system. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Java. Now it's time to do a bit of coding. So for that, let's create a new folder and let's give the folder name as Java practice. We are going to write a simple Java program now and going to run that using this latest version of Java. So just go inside the Java practice folder, then right click, hover over new and click on text document. And let's give the file name as HelloWorld, and you need to change this file name extension to .txt with .java. Hit enter. Do you want to change the file name extension? Yes, you want. Click on yes. Our file is rightly changed. Let's open it on our notepad and let's fast forward and write a simple HelloWorld Java program. So here is our HelloWorld Java program. So public class HelloWorld, public static void main string args, and we are simply printing HelloWorld on our console. Just go to file and save this program and click on this address bar and type cmd to open your command prompt right at this location. So here to compile this file, just simply type javac and then name of your file, which is helloworld.java. Hit enter. So that's going to compile your program and going to generate a helloworld.class file. So this class file is what you need to run. So for that, just simply type java and then your class name, that is HelloWorld. So HelloWorld and hit enter. So that's going to give you the output on your console, HelloWorld. So that's how you install latest version of Java and can start working on your Java projects. I highly recommend you to also install Eclipse IDE or NetBeans IDE. So detailed videos about those are available on our channel Geeky Script. So do check all these different videos on our channel. I'm sure you're going to love them. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.